Parents and guardians, it's time to ignite your child's future at EASTC Technical School Open Day on Saturday, 23rd of November from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Join us at 13 Pienaar Avenue, Kempton Park, where innovation meets education. Our Technocentric curriculum sets us apart, offering hands-on experience in trades like electrical, solar, aircon and refrigeration, and more. Come witness our young learners showcase their skills in coding, robotics, and various technical trades that are shaping the future. Don't miss this chance to explore how we're turning today's learners into tomorrow's artisans and tech innovators. Mark your calendar and bring the whole family to experience the future of education at EASTC Technical School. See you there.